explanation required, please demand. I'll go for brief explanation because I'm trying to finish these 20 questions. I'll give the answers first. First one, what is the option? You can give me also. There are four significant figures, 7500, as per rules mentioned yesterday. Second one, density is nothing but mass by volume. Mass is given as 4.22 gram. Volume is given as 2.5 cm cube. You can write in simple, shifting this to left here, 0.25. And here also you have to do that, 0.422. Now 0.25 is nothing but 1 by 4. 4 will come up. So 0.422 into 4 becomes exactly 1.688. You have to round it off now as per rules again. 2.5 has two significant figures. Therefore, our answer must have only two numbers. Hence, 1.7 gram per centimeter cube becomes the answer. Option C for that. Third one, direct substitution and simplification for Newton as a 10 power 5, a meter square as 10 power 4 makes a C as the right option. 4, Planck's constant is linked with the energy as given by h nu. Nu is nothing but frequency, which is reciprocal of time. Therefore, energy into time will have the dimensions of h, and energy we have seen earlier, ml square t power minus 2. Okay, this is not dimension formula. Angular momentum. What is angular momentum?
MVR. L is equal to MVR.
Correct. R cross P. And angular momentum is linked with the Planck's constant. You will see in atomic physics part as h by 2 pi, linked with that. MVR is equal to NH by 2 pi. So L and H, they have same dimensions exactly. So option D becomes the answer. Angular momentum as NH by 2 pi. We'll see in Bohr's postulates this condition. So directly D becomes the answer for this. Question number 5. Second, year, month. They're all units of time. Whereas parsec. What is parsec? It is a large distance measuring unit. Length, meter, kilometer, miles. After that, you can have units like light year. 1 light year is equal to how many meters? It comes around 9.46 10 to the power of 15 meter. 1 light year. Distance traveled by light in 1 full year. That is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Multiplied by 60 seconds of minute into 60 into 24 into 365. Total distance covered by light in 1 full year becomes so much. Similarly, 1 astronomical unit is also a large distance between sun and earth, which is 1.49 10 to the power of 11 meter. And like that, parsec is equal to 3.08 10 to the power of 16 meter. There is a particular definition for this parsec, which comes as 3.08 10 to the power 16 meter. So here parsec is not the unit of time, although second comes in this, it is for distance. So B is the answer. Question number 6. Simple question which we discussed in the past. Density is nothing but mass by volume. So in mass we have error of 2% and volume proportional to R cube. So 3 into delta R by R becomes how much? 3 into delta R by R, which is given as 1 here. So 3% in radius, 2% in mass. Totally it becomes 5%. Option D becomes the answer. 7. 10 gram per centimeter cube is equal to how many kg? Gram per centimeter cube. 1 gram is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. And if you simplify, it becomes 10 power minus 6 in the denominator comes up 10 power 6, 10 power 4 altogether it becomes. So 10 to the power of 4. Therefore, n is a C in this case. Eight, the usual power related error calculation. 2 into delta A by A, first of all, plus 3 into delta B by B, plus delta C by C, plus half of delta D by D becomes delta A by A given as 1. Therefore, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus directly 3 plus 4, half into 4 becomes 2. So finally 2 plus 6 plus 9 plus 2. Correct? Is it 11%? 13? 6 plus 2, 8. Correct. 11 plus 2, 13%. Right. Option D is the answer. 9. Simple example I gave earlier in the class. Temperature difference. Directly 8. But errors are added. So we get 1 plus 1, 2. And option C becomes the answer. What is the dimensional formula for energy? Nidishri, energy formula? Energy dimensional formula? No,
Sir,
no, no, no.
can I
Is
say,
for
sir?
force. Hello?
ml square t power minus 2.
Correct. Energy ml square t power minus 2. So you should know these basic 4 important formula I mentioned. Velocity LT power minus 1. Acceleration LT power minus 2. Force mass into acceleration. So m LT power minus 2. And then power comes second one there, which is energy by time. And that is also not the given dimensional formula. Force anyway mlt power minus 2. So left out is a D1. Pressure ml power minus 1 t power minus 2. D is the answer. Question number 11. What is the displacement and distance? Here 1/4 of the circumference is covered. 1/4 means what is the path length or distance? 2 pi r divided by 4 it becomes. 2 pi r, 1/4 of 2 pi r, which is equal to pi r by 2. That is known as distance covered or path length. 2 pi r by 4 or ultimately pi r by 2. And what is the displacement? Shortest distance between initial and final points. R and R.
Root 2 r, sir.
R square plus R square and root we have to take. So it becomes root of 2R square, or R can be kept out, R root 2, and hence C becomes the right option for this. Force by area is definitely pressure only. Energy by volume, second one, is actually numerator and denominator multiplied by L for the first one. Force into L is force into displacement. Dimensionally it is energy only. Area into distance also is volume. So first and second are not different. Third one, denominator is area as in first. Numerator alone is changed. That is not possible. So energy by area is the wrong one. C becomes the answer for this. 13 significant figures. First one has 5, second number has only 1, third one has a 2. So option B becomes the answer for this. Put in. What is the dimensional formula? For A by B, pressure is equal to A minus T square by Bx. Now, there is one statement called principle of homogeneity, which says that every part of an equation must have same dimensions. In the acceleration part I mentioned, delta V by delta D we have there. Delta V also has the same unit like V. Change in velocity is also measured in meter per second only, or LT power minus 1 itself becomes a dimensional formula for that. So in V equal to U plus AT, V LT power minus 1, U also LT power minus 1, A into T also becomes LT power minus 1 only. So at every part should have same dimensions. According to that here, pressure A by Bx minus T square by Bx, each part must be of dimensional formula of pressure itself. So writing A by Bx also as a pressure, A by B is what you want. It is pressure into X. That means ml power minus 1 T power minus 2 into L. So what is the formula now? Mt power minus 2. Option B is the answer for that. Fifteen. Momentum is P. Then area A and time T. We have to write the dimensional formula for energy. Energy is basically force and displacement product. Force is rate of change of momentum. P by T can be expressed as a force in this case. Delta P by delta T, rate of change of momentum. Here, dimensionally, pressure by, momentum by time can be written as force. And displacement, we don't have here L as one of the data, but area is given. What is the link between area and L? Root of area has the dimensions of L, because area is L into L. Square root if you take, it becomes just L. Therefore, we express for L here root A, and which option fits for this? D becomes the answer. Is that clear? And for 16, pressure into volume. There is one famous equation, molar gas constant related equation, PV equal to RT, or ideal gas equation, what we call. Pressure into volume is equal to RT, molar gas constant into absolute temperature. Both are equivalent of energy. So option C becomes the answer for this. Once again simplification. A power 4 we have. A power 4 B square upon, I'll split that, C power half directly I'll write. and d power 4 half is nothing but again d square. So make it simple. Correct? Okay. A, what is A here? 2%. So 2 into 4, first one, plus B, 3. That is 2 into 3. Next, plus half into C, that is 4. Half into 4, plus 2 into 5. How much this becomes, man? 8 plus 6, 14, plus 2, 16, plus 10. You have the answer, Mother. Yes? So C becomes the answer for this. Eighteen is a simple question. Voltage equal to current into resistance. R is asked V by I, and corresponding delta is a delta V by V plus delta I by I. Both are given as 3% each. Therefore, answer is a 6%. That is option A. Error in the measurement of volume is given as a 6%, which actually corresponds to 3 volume R cube. So 3 into delta R by R. That means delta R by R must be equal to 2%. Error in radius must be 2%. Totally 6 means for delta R by R it is 2%. Then in area part, delta A by A is asked, we have 4 pi R square. So 2 delta R by R, isn't it? We have seen similar question. This is slightly modified. So 2 into 2 exactly becomes a 4%. And lastly, 20. AT plus BT square. What is it? B by A. What is B here? If an equation is in this form, AT plus BT square, you have seen this in a motion in one dimension discussion or in high school also. It is S equal to UT plus half AT square type equation. So this B actually is for acceleration. A is for U or velocity. So dimension of acceleration divided by velocity is LT power minus 2 upon LT power minus 1. That is exactly B by A, which is equal to T power minus 1, or option D becomes the answer for this. Any clarification required? Online students?
No, sir.
Okay. So as it is the first one, almost easy or moderate questions are given here, not very tough questions. You'll see many, maybe 2, 3, can be a bit work demanding questions here. So next you will have mix up moderate, easy, and a few more tough questions you may get in the question papers. How many questions are correct for Rakesh?
19.
Good. Then Sudeep present. Or Spandana?
17, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then another student with the 15 plus.
Meghana, sir, 16.
Good, good. Next. Vandana is not present. Okay. So I'll stop the class now. After 10 minutes, you'll have next class. Bye.